Welcome to today's Signals and Strategy Guide on the DEX List AI platform. We're going to cover how top strategies work, how you can customize them with your own filters, and how to manage everything right inside your personal dashboard. Let's start with the top signals page. Here you can see strategies ranked by their performance. For this demo, we'll dive into two: sentiment surge, Twitter volume, ADX trend, following strategy. Both are fully transparent. You can check their P&L charts, win rate, drawdown, and even money allocation slots. Sentiment surge, Twitter volume. This strategy tracks Twitter activity spikes. Twitter window sets the period we scan for a volume increase. Twitter spike multiplier defines how much higher the spike should be compared to normal. Take profit and stop loss. Parameters let you automatically lock gains and cut losses. On the right side, you can see results. Average 7-day P&L, 30-day P&L, total return. Win rate, max losing streak, and drawdown. And here, num, the money slot. This shows how much capital is allocated per signal. For example, $420 out of a $4.2 $1,000 slot. Finally, notifications. With one click, you can enable Telegram alerts. The green indicator shows that tracking is active. A DX trend. Following next up, the ADX trend, following strategy. A DX period sets how many candles are used to calculate the strength of a trend. A DX threshold defines when the system considers the trend strong enough. Again, we have take profit and stop loss levels. This strategy is less about hype and more about pure technicals, entering when the ADX shows a confirmed uptrend. Results panel shows P&L over time, win rate and higher drawdown compared to sentiment surge, meaning it's riskier, but also capable of bigger runs. And of course, money slots and green notification indicators are here too. Personal signals. Now let's move to personal signals. Here you can create your own strategies. Add tokens from your favorites, select KOL lists, mix technical indicators like EMA, RSI, MACD, ADX, or even chart patterns such as cup and handle or candle strikes. You can also set closing algorithms: stop loss, take profit, trailing stop, or timed closing. This means you can take any DEX list strategy, tweak the variables, and save it as your own. Basically, it's inheritance plus customization, a shortcut to more profitable setups. Notifications and dashboard last stop, the profile settings. Here you manage all active subscriptions. Each strategy you enable shows up with a green indicator. You can switch Telegram notifications on or off with a single toggle. This way, you always know when a signal is live and ready. That's it for today's overview. We covered top strategies like sentiment surge and ADX trend following, broke down their variables, showed how money slots work, and how to build your own personal signals. With DEX List, you're not just following strategies, you're building your own trading intelligence.